Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now we're going to have a realistic problem on the Camry. One of the light bulbs are gone, one of the main light bulbs, and when do you find out things like that? Of course, when it's snowing and cold and dark. So now I just have to change it right away, and we have to see. What's a good thing here? I have the light bulb. Another good thing, I have to find a place with a little light, or I have a LED light stripping system. So let's just start. Here, of course, everything is frozen. This is a 2003 model Toyota Camry. This car uses two ordinary and close driving lights. It's a H7. As you can see, it's a angle up here that's supposed to be on the top. I have changed on the other side. It was blown. You can see it here. The thread is there. It's burned off. No change on this. Back here you have a cover. That's supposed to move around. A little difficult to. Sitting very hard. There. Loosen up. When I get up there, the light bulb connector is just a simple two connectors. Then a simple, see here, simple spring that hold the light bulb in. Take off that one, and the light bulb come out with this on the top. Then new light bulb there. Look for this part to be up in the system. Then it's drop in like it's supposed to. See if I get the light better in here. And then the spring. The spring in here. Too much. Here you see, you can try to take the wood. The spring is under here and should be pressured in and locked down. And now the bulb is sitting as it should. Then it's just connecting this plug back on the bulb. Very difficult to be able to see it at the same time as I do it. I'm sorry about that. There. Here again, now the connector is back in place. Then it's just to lock up this cover. Look at it. There. Get it enough around the place here to be able to twist it around. There. So in. And then it was kind of hard to get it to twist back because it's so very cold. Now the cover is twisted back clockwise. Now we have main lights coming back there, and this was changed early in one evening. Now I've changed both of them so I have the same light. It's quite easy to change it, so it's nothing to be worried about. The problem is with light bulbs like this, they always, you see them when it's starting to be dark and now it's cold, and then you have to do it because then you need the light. So yeah, just do it. Should take 5 minutes. My problem here was the system here was stocked so badly. Of course also because it's cold, so I had to pick up a wooden stick I was finding outside the house and some metallic to put on and softly beat it around. Yeah. Now it's come out, now it changed. So thank you for coming by. Please look at some of my other videos, and please go back and follow the channel and put a like if you like the video. Thank you.